Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here. I wanted to come and I had to show you these headbands that I DIY. I wanted to show y'all these DIY headbands. Um so the first one I want to show you is the AB Crystal. If you see that headband, and I like this took 2 days to make. Yesterday, Monday, started Monday, and I kind of finished up today and thing. And I went back and I put some on the front here. And if you do it like this, and you can actually see it and everything. So that is that one. Um, you get to find these headbands. The the headbands are a packet of three from Dollar General, and I think there was about $3 or $4. So, yeah. So that is and I used my AB crystals, my AB nail crystals, AB, and I will leave you a link for that on Amazon.com. So, yeah. And I will leave you, if you can't, and I will also leave you a link for headbands as well. So, yeah. There we go with that. That's that. Now here are the pearls. Might go back in some places and add some more, but yeah. Here, here and things. So I have big and very small ones. And yeah, this is how it's looking. But yeah, I just think this is pretty good. I mean, this is a real good tutorial. I saw a lot of people do tutorials on headbands, but not ones that you can actually wear. But I just wanted to do something a little different. Y'all know we stuck, everybody kind of stuck in the house. So hey, I said I gotta find some things to do. But I have about three more to show you. But yeah. So when I get back, I will show you some more. Until then, don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.